Vynnyky, Ukrainian 8=88, is a city in Lviv Oblast, region of Ukraine. Population 16,902, 2016 est. The city is part of Lviv Municipality and is part of Lychakiv Raion of the city of Lviv. History. Since the mid-14th century, until the partitions of Poland, Vynnyky, called in Polish Wynnyky, belonged to Ruthenian voivodeship, Kingdom of Poland. From 1772 to 1918, it was part of Austrian Galicia, and in the interbellum period, the town returned to Poland as part of Lviv voivodeship. In 1925, the population of the city accounted for 6,000 residents, out of which 3,300 were Polish, 2,150 Ruthenians, 350 Jewish, and 200 Germans. Gallery. People from Vynnyky. Andreas Balak, 1894 to 1945, Austrian Nazi. Myron Markovich, Ukrainian football manager. Antony Lob, Polish painter. Robert Grieman, General of the Polish Army. Jerzy Rozalowicz, Polish painter. International relations. Twin towns, sister cities. Vynnyky is twinned with Lviv, Poland. References. External links. In Polish, Wynnyky, 2. Vynnyky, in Geographical Dictionary of the Kingdom of Poland, 1893. In English, Jewish history of the town.